Hello, in front of me I've got Edifier Hecate G30. In this video I'll show you the headphones preview. Firstly, take a look at the left ear cap of your headphones. Right here we've got the mode switch button, thanks to which we can switch between Bluetooth and 2.4G. Here we've got the multifunctional button. Next we've got the microphone indicator and microphone mute button. Now, below we've got the volume control knob, charging port and microphone port. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.